There are a lot of methods out there to help you learn the art of strengthening, the relaxation, and perfecting yoga. Some work, most don't. Unfortunately, most methods promise the world but just don't deliver on helping and teaching you to get the results that you want. But what if there was a guide that would very quickly get you the results you're wanting? Not just for the short term, but for the long term too. Not only that, but helping you learn the correct mindset to mastery yoga. If you're planning to learn how to perfect yoga, then you need a guide that can provide you with everything to help you succeed. So let me introduce you to Yoga U, a guide that is jam-packed with tried and tested methods so you can see results fast. This is a product that will help you get the results you've been wanting and to create the correct mindset to achieve your goals for not only today, but for the long term too. There are so many products available in teaching you about yoga these days, making it a challenge to know what the best solution is for you. These resources can be helpful, and it's a great idea to research each of them to know what will work best for you and what methods you should use. But what you're needing is a convenient, all in one resource that will help you to become more knowledgeable in yoga, so you will always remain one step in front of your goals. That's why this new product about strengthening, the relaxation, and perfecting yoga is a guide that covers all these topics in one. This is an easy to follow guide, and anyone can use it to start learning everything there is to know about yoga. So whether you already do yoga or you want to start, this product will guide you through the main principles to help you master everything about this subject. Don't wait and end up missing out. Grab your copy now by clicking the button below to gain instant access